Hey guys, going to try to catch a swarm of bees this year. So this is what I've come up with to catch some honeybees. My design is top bar because I have a larger top bar hive that I'm going to transfer the nucleus into if I catch some bees. What I got here is just a piece of corrugated plywood top and 12 top bars that have a fin on top, and on the fin I've just put a little bit of wax. I've dripped some wax on them, and then also down inside I've taken some wax and cut some shavings. This is just some beeswax that I had, and I'm taking some lemongrass oil just to either drop, and I also have some lemongrass oil lip balm that's made with beeswax and lemongrass oil, and I think this, if I smear it, it will last longer. The scent will linger longer. You can also put your lemongrass oil on some cotton balls. Now what I have is 12 top bars that go in here, and the last bar is a cut piece of scrap wood that's just cut to size so it all fits nice and tight. I've screwed one down in the center kind of to keep everything tight and snug. Now what I have is a hole cut in the bottom, 1 inch, and I put this nail in it to keep a bird from getting inside, building a house. And I've got on the back 2 air vent holes cut. They're about 3/4 inch with a little piece of screen, and I put some cotton on the outside to let air circulation in, and that's it. I'm going to tie all this together and put my lid on, and then I'll hang it on the barn or up in the tree. Alright, the dimensions of this thing are very simple. The top's about 18, the bottom is about 9 1/4, 9, and this piece here is just 12 inches deep. And I've got, for these angles, I've got like a 70-degree angle going up. The bottom is just cut to length. This piece in the center here is 19 inches. The overall length is 20 1/2. I did that because I'm going to use 12 top bars. My top bars are 1 1/2 inches wide, and I'm going to use 12 of them because I want this to also just contain a nucleus of bees. I might just let the bees, if they get in there, stay in there and build up a good nucleus, and then just transfer the top bars into a large top bar hive, or build another hive just like this that sits on top as a super it just gives more options, I think, making this hive box a little bigger. Normally, the hive trap would be a little shallower. It wouldn't be this deep, but we'll see how this works. What I did here was put a piece of wood in to get an arch on my roof so the water will bead down better off this lip and not want to ride under and get into my top bars. There. And there it is, finished and hung on the barn. About 12 feet up in the air. Thanks for watching.